Arriving, frosts and lower temperatures, and that's the case for the weekend ahead as well. Needless to say, September was quite a warm month. In fact, the warmest for England and Wales since 1961, with an average temperature around 15 degrees. It may get to 15 degrees tomorrow, but in general it's going to be a lot colder than that. And the reason that easterly winds bringing this cold pool of air you see across Russia, those blues representing daytime temperatures below freezing, are going to get towards us over the next 24 hours. Now, it won't be quite as cold as it is in Moscow by the time that air reaches us, but certainly a lot colder than it has been, and especially down the North Sea coast, it will feel decidedly chilly. Now then, let's start by having a look at the picture across Britain right now, because there's a fair blanket of cloud covering many areas. It's also giving a few spots of rain and drizzle, especially down here in central and southern parts of England. And that's where it's going to stay as well through the afternoon. Some brightness in some of these western areas, a little bit of sunshine trying to get through at times, but overall it's a rather cloudy picture and a pretty chilly one down that North Sea coast as well. As I mentioned, 13 or 14, the best temperature this afternoon. Well, there's the weather front, the culprit for the cloud and some spots of rain. It will eventually drift its way southwards, but meantime this system's trying to get in from the west, and as it does so it will bring more cloud into western areas and then push its way down towards that northwestern tip of France as we move through Sunday. As you can see, by Sunday, quite a brisk easterly breeze developing, so getting a little bit colder, or feeling colder, in the second half of the weekend. For the overnight period, we'll see mostly cloudy conditions in the south here, but as you can see, there are large parts of the Midlands and eastern Wales and up across Scotland where the skies do clear, and where that does happen we are going to see a touch of frost, mainly from northern England, north of the Midlands, northwards, temperatures falling to just 3 or 4 degrees. The weekend forecast, well, rather cloudy in some of these eastern areas again, and pretty chilly as well. Some brightness in the west, but eventually it will cloud over during the course of the afternoon, especially for Northern Ireland and some of those western fringes of Scotland. And then by Sunday, the main area of low pressure drifts its way down to the western side of Wales and perhaps down across Devon and Cornwall.